It's a fact. Oil prices are high and showing no sign of getting any lower. Oil tank deliveries are disruptive and noisy, and fossil fuels literally cost the earth. So isn't it time you found a more cost-effective, renewable heating and hot water system for your home? Now there is an alternative. Ecodan from Mitsubishi Electric. Ecodan is MCS approved and qualifies for the Domestic Renewable Heat Incentive, or RHI. This is the world's first long-term financial support for the generation of renewable heat, paying you, the consumer, directly for renewable heat generated. But the benefits of Ecodan don't end there. Even on the coldest days, Ecodan harvests renewable heat energy from the outdoor air and transfers it into the home to heat radiators or underfloor heating and provide hot water. No wonder heat pump technology is the most popular form of heating in places like Scandinavia, where the climate is a whole lot colder than here in the UK. See how much switching to an Ecodan heat pump heating system could save you. Try our Why Pay More calculator now on the Mitsubishi Electric website. Clean, safe, efficient, renewable and cost-effective to run. Ecodan from Mitsubishi Electric.